Okay, for section 5.1.3, we're asked to complete the following derivation by adding appropriate justifications. And so for 1c, our target is not B, and we are given B implies A and not B. And so clearly one of the ways that we can get there is by going from B across the conditional, and that's the strategy that they choose to use. So the very first line is an assumption, of course. Then we are assuming B. Now, we are assuming B with the intention of introducing a negation, because we're going to find a contradiction. So if we introduce B as an assumption and we're able to show something contradictory, then we get not B by negation introduction. So that's what's going on here. This is an assumption for the purpose of negation introduction. And you can see that because down here we've got something contradictory, and then we conclude the opposite of what we assumed up here. So that's negation introduction. Now, if we assume B and we cross the conditional to get to this, then this is nothing more than 1-2 conditional elimination. And then we strip off not B from this conjunction here. So this is going to be conjunction elimination with line 3. And then 5, we're simply going to restate 2 for the purpose of showing that there's an explicit contradiction. Now we have an explicit contradiction. This is going to be negation introduction, and you have to cite the entirety of this, which is 2 through 5. And that's it. We're done.